Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to play Sons of the Forest with your friends crack version. So today you want to learn how to play the Sons of the Forest crack version, but there is none single person who have discovered how to play it. But here's a little guide that somewhat he figured it out. So you want to download the app from FitGirl. So after installation, you should have a folder called No DVD in the root of the installation folder. Inside, you will find a folder called Online Fix, which are the ones who work on the making the game playable online. Copy the contents of this folder to the root of the installation folder, then make sure Steam is running. So that is how he did, and I hope this is what he meant, the Fit Girl website. I hope it works for you too, since there are comments who replied that it worked for them. So yes, good luck with that.